sorry. I'm Mr. Kent.
Hi, Kent!
Hello, I'm Mr. Wayne.
Hi, Wayne! Oh, golly gosh, I'm ready for this interview!
Okay, then. Question number 1. What have been your past job experiences?
Picked up trash at the park once, but that wasn't really fun. I like working on railroads instead.
Alright, question number 2. Do you like working with a team or by yourself?
I like working by myself because I feel like I can make the best railroad by myself and no one else can help me because I hate everyone.
That's okay. Question number 3. Have you ever been fired from a job?
Every single one.
Alright, question number 4. Have you ever been filed for sexual harassment?
A couple times, but who's carrying? I was just curious. I like working on railroads. That's all I know about.
Alright. Number 5. Where do you see yourself in the near future?
Working on railroads. Oh, alright.
And question number 6. What makes you think you're good enough for the job?
Well, I like railroads. I'm really nice. I like railroads. My last name's Railroad, actually. I like railroads. Yeah. I like railroads. I like railroads. Did I say I like railroads? I like railroads. I like railroads.
You know, Coby, this interview's finished.
What? Come on!
No, we have a lot more people to get through. We've gotten enough information out of you, but we will inform you if you've gotten the job or not. So,
Okay.
It's been a pleasure meeting you, Mr. Coby.
I like your smile.
Mr. Kent.
I like them.
Me too.
Who's counting? I like working on railroads instead.
No, I was fucking.
Golly gosh!
Tell us about yourself.
Come on.